I don't know where to go. Oh man, I didn't hit the record button. That's another huge portal, look. But I saw this huge, there they are right there. Here. No, that's just my tree. But no, it's something different now. Wait. It's up here a little bit. First of all, that's all messed up. Okay, look at this tree. It does not go to the left like that. But it looked like a mother, father and daughter, father and son, mother and... You get that there. Yeah, there's something big. Two of them. And this is like, just like, kind of like a break in the storm. Yeah, they're all coming down to see me again. Wondering if I'm going to come up there again. No, don't worry. Although I don't think they're much worried about it. I think they enjoyed the company. Whoa, what's that? Who's that peekaboo me? Oh, the leaves. Oh man, this is gonna be... Okay, see the leaves are turning in a circle like that. It's almost like how you can tell a storm's coming. Like that. Oh, I'm trying to get a picture. I don't know why I'm getting pictures for it. It's stupid. That thing is moving. Yes, it is, and there's another squash in the back. I can see him. I'm trying to see where it is. Now that tree is not supposed to be anywhere near, so I'm looking in the wrong spot. I have to be. No, where the hell? It's big. It's huge. Where is it? I mean, it's a huge lump. And up top is, yeah, I guess that's got to be it right there. I don't see anything special. What the hell? My God, looks like there's an arm operating on something, doesn't it? Well, too bad there's a glare. What is it? Alright, guys, I'm sorry. Wow. Oh, yeah, we got something going on here. Again, with the black, branches. I don't have any. I've got 2 eyes. Oh, yeah. And who's that? is. There's that colored tree that does not belong. Right there. Oh man. When that tree is here, that's not good. I found that branch when I was squashing yesterday and got caught in almost got caught in a tornado. That is, it reminds me of those, let's just say the ETs that I don't care so much for. Whether it be just because they were the first ones I ever ran into, or because what I saw them doing, or what I believed them to be doing to my Bigfoot. I mean, I don't know. I just don't care for them. I could be, wrong, but well, hello there. Oh, get that leaf out of the way. Come on. Come on, does not happen very often. That is it's a different kind of bird. They're not a different kind of bird, but it's, like a bird flying in, like flying like a regular bird. Not the dimensional birds. Or galactic birds. Well, actually, it's probably an interdimensional bird. I don't know. And the more I study, the more I'm realizing that they're all the same. And you just turn them, mirror them, rotate them, flip them, and you know what? They're all the same damn thing. And the more I look at the birds, the more I realize they're Bigfoots. Was it a baby? Oh, we got a baby up in the tree. Yes, we do. Look in the background. What the heck are they bringing in?